Good evening, dear students. This is your GK session. Okay, today I'm going to teach you a new lesson. Do you know what is that? What is that? Ill effects of consuming less water. Okay, what is that? Ill effects of consuming less water. It means today we are going to see what will happen if we don't drink enough water. Okay, what will happen if we don't drink enough water? Okay, let's see. Are you drinking enough water? Are you drinking enough water? Okay, now let's do a simple test to find out whether you're drinking enough water or not. Okay. When you were in grade 1, did you carry home your empty water bottle? Did you? If your answer is yes, then you're drinking enough water. If no, then you're not drinking enough water. So now tell me what's your answer, yes or no? So now you are at home, right? So you can easily find out by counting the water glasses you drink every day. Okay? Or else you can fetch water in the water bottle and check whether you're drinking enough water or what. Okay? If you drink enough water, that's good. Do you know what happens if you don't drink enough water? Do you know what happens? So now let's see what happens if you don't drink enough water. If you don't drink enough water, you get tired. Yes, you get tired. Then you will not have energy to work, to play, to dance, to draw. Okay, you get tired. And then you get digestion problems. What's mean by digestion problem? It means Jeernamahadu, okay? Whatever you eat, the food will not get digested, okay? You will get stomach pain then. Then you should go to hospital and put injection. Is it okay? Then you get eye pain. Yes, you will get eye pain. If you don't drink enough water, your eyes will pain. Then you get bad breath. What's mean by bad breath? It means your mouth will smell very badly. Then nobody will come near you. They will say that your mouth is stinking. So you should drink enough water. You will get headache and then you will get pain in your joints. Okay? It means you will get pain in your knee, elbow, shoulder, neck. Okay? So you should drink enough water, then your concentration level will fall. Yes, you will forget everything easily. Whatever you read today, tomorrow you will forget. If you don't drink enough water, then at last your skin will become dry. Yes, you will get unhealthy skin. So what did you learn from this? If you drink less water, you should face all these problems. Okay? So you should drink enough water. Children from grade 1 to grade 4 should drink 5 glasses of water. Okay? How many glasses of water? 5 glasses of water per day. Children from grade 5 to grade 9 should drink 8 glasses of water. How many glasses of water? 8 glasses of water. Children from grade 10 to college should drink 10 glasses of water. How many? 10 glasses of water per day. Now let's see healthy way of drinking water. Okay?
Make sure that our water is clean and pure. We must drink only clean water. Water can be purified by boiling and filtering. Nowadays, water is also purified using electronic water filters. At home, water can be stored in clean vessels or clean pots. These must be covered with a clean plate or a clean cloth.
Students, take page number 9 in your GK book and write today's date. Ill effects of consuming less water. What is that? What's the lesson name? Ill effects of consuming less water. A simple test. I have told you earlier, no? You carry home your empty water bottle? If yes, tick yes. If no, tick no. Next, activity 1. Activity 1. Choose which is healthy. So here they have given healthy and unhealthy way of drinking water. Okay. So we should choose which is healthy. First one, drinking boiled water. Drinking unboiled water. So which is healthy? Drinking boiled water or drinking unboiled water? Drinking boiled water, right? So you should tick here. Okay, near to the sentence you should tick. And next, drinking a lot of water while eating. Drinking less water while eating. Drinking a lot of water while eating. Drinking less water while eating. Which is healthy? You should always drink less water. Okay? You should always drink less water while eating. Drink less water. Next, drinking water slowly, drinking water fast. Which is healthy? Drinking water slowly. Yes, we should drink slowly. We should not drink fast. Drinking slowly is healthy way of drinking water. Next, drinking ice water, avoiding ice water. Which is healthy? Avoiding ice water. Drinking ice water is bad for our health. Okay. Next, purchasing packed water bottle while going for an outing. Carrying water bottle while going for an outing. So which is healthy? We should always carry water bottle while going for an outing. Okay. We should always carry water bottle. Next, what happens if you don't drink enough water? Feel tired. You get digestion problems. You have painful dry eyes. You have bad breath. You get headache. You have aching joints. Aching means pain. Your concentration levels fall. Unhealthy skin. Your body requires the following amount of water every day. Count the water glasses and fill in the blank. So what you have to do, you have to count the water glasses, okay? And you should write in this dash. First, children from grade 1 to grade 4. So count how many glasses of water children from grade 1 to grade 4 should drink and write here, okay? Same for children from grade 5 to 9 and grade 10 to college. Okay. You should count and write here. Next, evaluation. How many glasses of water should you drink every day? How many glasses of water should you drink every day? 1 cup or 5 cups? So here you have counted how many water glasses, no? So now you are in grade 2, right? So you should count how many glasses of water you should drink and you should click here. Okay. Next, you have dash if you don't drink enough water. You have dash if you don't drink enough water. Fresh breath or bad breath. Fresh breath or bad breath. Third one. What do we drink when we are thirsty? What do we drink when we are thirsty? When we feel thirsty, what do we drink? Milk or water? Tick the correct answer. Fourth one, which is bad for our health? Which is bad for our health? Ice water, regular water. Which is bad for our health? Fifth, how do we feel if we don't drink enough water? How do we feel if we don't drink enough water? Tired, fresh. Tick the correct answer. 6. Drinking less water gives us headache, toothache. Gives us headache or toothache. If we do not drink enough water, our skin becomes healthy and shiny, unhealthy and dull. If we do not drink enough water, our skin becomes healthy and shiny, unhealthy and dull. Our eyes become dry and painful when we drink. Our eyes become dry and painful when we drink less water or enough water. We get digestion problems if we do not drink enough water. We get digestion problems if we do not drink enough water. Yes or no? Today you should complete this page, okay? That's all for today. Bye. Take care.